Good evening. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding Ramsar Convention, number one. Number two, how many Ramsar sites are present in India? First of all, let me answer the second one. How many Ramsar sites are present in India? Please remember, as of now, the number is 46. Earlier, it was 42, and very recently, four more have been added. What are they? I am going to share this information with you in a short while. But when it comes to Ramsar, Ramsar is a place in Iran. Ramsar is a place in Iran where a convention has been signed in the year 1971. A treaty has been signed that is called Ramsar Convention, and this is basically meant for the conservation and wise use of the wetlands. So this is the information, the basic information, and what are the latest developments? This I am going to show you now. Kindly have a look at this. Here it is. The Ramsar Convention is an international treaty, meaning large number of countries are the signatories in this particular treaty. This is basically for the conservation and wise use of wetlands. Right? Kindly recollect the meaning of the wetlands, what we have discussed during our classes. And it is named after Iranian city of Ramsar. It is on the Caspian Sea, where the treaty was signed on February 2nd, 1971. Please remember, very, very important, what is the purpose of Ramsar Convention? That is important for the examination. And when this particular treaty was signed, the date is important for the examination. Right? And when it comes to India, four more Indian sites have been recognized as wetlands, and they became part of the Ramsar sites. But otherwise, the 46 Ramsar sites in India include Chilika Lake, which is present in Odisha, Kelidio National Park in Rajasthan, Harike Lake in Punjab, Loktak Lake in Manipur, Ular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Kindly remember, when we are discussing the subjects like this, topics like this, it is not just you remember number of Ramsar sites in India. It is not just important that when this particular treaty was signed, but you should also remember where is this Chilika Lake located? What is the state? Similarly, Kelidio National Park, in which state it is located? Rajasthan. Harike Lake, Punjab. Loktak Lake, Manipur. Ular in Jammu and Kashmir. These points you must remember. Either they may be direct questions or they may ask you in match the following. Whatever may be the type of the question, you should be able to answer. Clear? And when it comes to the latest one, four more Indian sites, two each from Haryana and Gujarat, have been recognized as wetlands of international importance under Ramsar Convention, and taking the number of such sites in India to 46. This may be a straight question in any examination. How many Ramsar sites are present in India? Your answer should be 46. Right? And for the first time, two wetlands in Haryana, Sultanpur National Park in Gurgaon, and Bindwas Wildlife Sanctuary in Jhajjar have been included in the Ramsar list. Very, very, very important one. So this is from Haryana. And the aim of the Ramsar list is to develop and maintain an international network of wetlands which are important for the conservation of global biological diversity and for sustaining human life through the maintenance of their ecosystem components, processes, and benefits. My dear friends, all of you who have attended our classes, you know what is the meaning of this each one. You know the meaning of the conservation, you know the meaning of wetlands, you know the meaning of global biological diversity, right? And you know the meaning of the ecosystem components, everything you know, right? And the last point, when it comes to Haryana's Bindwas Wildlife Sanctuary is a human made freshwater wetland. So please remember each and every point for any forthcoming examination. So thank you so much. I'll stop here and I'll see you in the next session. Take very good care.